Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great day and a great weekend. Well, today we have another unbagging, so that means we have another review. Let's see who this is from. Get it open wide enough. Kind of full there. Well, we have pre-stamped cross-stitch kits. And these are from NewCraftDay. And we have, like I said, we have 3 cross-stitch kits. Isn't that beautiful? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is a 14 count, 34 by 38 centimeters, so it's not very big. It does seem like it's kind of a poofy bag here. And it is a Joy Sunday wannabe. But isn't that gorgeous? Oh, my goodness, my goodness, my goodness. I know, I don't do 14 count, but yeah, I had to have it. Just beautiful. Love the colors. This has 54 colors in it. It has full stitch and back stitch. Looks like the flowers are the only thing that has the back stitches, like stems and little sticky things sticking up in the centers of flowers. So yeah, just beautiful. Let's set this over here and take a look at the colors. Like I said, it's not too big. It does have the product number right here. This H9936, and I don't see the other number, the 39, but it does have this. And this is one that tells you how many strands right here where the red is, and what the DMC number is, and then the color on the thread card. Plus, it has 2 very slim needles because it's a 14 count. But look at those colors. Purple, purple, purple. And even dark purple. Oh, that's the back. Okay, I'm sorry. Let's try again. It's like, how does that happen? Duh. Yeah. So, we got purples over here with some greens in various shades. You got some browns. Look at the bright oranges and bright yellows and blues and dark reds. And, oh, just gorgeous. I may have to do this. Just might have to. And then we got some charcoal. And some more bright orange. And some darker green. Kind of a grass green here. And some more blue. And kind of a reddish orange. Then you got some lighter colors over here, including like a periwinkle, medium periwinkle. And some dark greens. Just beautiful array of colors in this. I just thought it was awesome. Just awesome. Let's lay that up there and let's take a look at the canvas. Just seems bigger. 34 by 34. Isn't that what I said it was? It says it's 150 by 172. I'm looking. It is serged all the way around, as does all of Joy Sundays. It is 34 by 38. And that is what it's supposed to be, 34 by 38. Actual picture size is about 10 3/4, or a little over 27 centimeters by 31, which is about 12 1/4. So, yeah. Now I'm trying to think what I want. It does have the product numbers, both the numbers that was on the front page, and it's called Blooming Flower. There's how many squares per square up here. And then you have your back stitch numbers here. It is a little difficult to see. You can use your paper pattern if you'd like, but the paper pattern does not match the same symbol. Does that make sense? And then the rest of the numbers, they're pretty fair, easy to read. And the symbols, of course, are good. And the symbols are very easy to read here. So yeah, and it's a full coverage. But the symbols run all the way around the side. Starts getting a little smeary when you get 4 numbers instead of 3. But yeah, I usually don't care what the color is, you know, like the color number. It doesn't, you know, do anything for me one way or another. Sometimes I care and sometimes I don't. So yeah, this kit was $7.65. So that's a good price. It's for Joy Sunday. Let's take a look at the next one. Get it out of its baggie. And these are some hydrangeas. It's a 30 by 40, so it's another one that's not too big. Now, that one over there was a 14 count. This is going to be an 11 count. And, oh, look, we get 2 instruction booklets. Yeah, if you'd wanted those, you would never have got them. I'm trying. I'm trying to make it bigger and harder. So you got your picture, and you have your instructions on how to start and how to end. Has a nice great big key. This has 49 colors. Shows the color running down the side, DMC number, the symbol, and the number on the thread card. So that is quite a bit for something this small. Nice, big, easy to read pattern. And this will match your canvas, so you can tell where you're at or what you're looking for or what you think, what is that symbol, you know. I've had that, you know, because I get 3 strands all the way around. I can't figure out what the 4th one is, you know. It's awful. So I have to go and look. But yeah, just beautiful. And it looks like we got some greens and some purples and pinks. This, well, okay. I was like, I don't see any, what do you call them, needles on there. But they're all in here. So you got a little bitty kit. This has a little deer on it. So it has 5 needles, a poof ball, a so-called thimble, and a needle threader. I use them things all the time. If I'm not using this one, I am using this one. Because they're the best that I've ever had. Let's take a look at these beautiful, beautiful colors. I can't believe this is a 30 by 40. And it has all those colors. Hang on, we're trying. And I like it's bagged up. Keeps the threads from being mushed and moved around. Yeah, they're all pretty mushed together, but yeah. And I just shake them out. And everybody fluffs up. Oh, I'm about to drop everything. Alright, let's look at the first one. Isn't that pretty? Look at all those blues. Just gorgeous. There's 2 blues here. He's kind of in with his buddy over here. Let's get him separated. There we go. Lots of teals. We have this dark cerulean blue. Pinks, purples. This is that navy blue. I'm not sure what color that is. 42. Nope, it's not 939. I was thinking maybe, but look at that. Beautiful, beautiful colors. I'm trying. Everybody's doing their thing. There is no sticker on here. We have purples and blues and grays. Just beautiful. Love that green. Oh, it's just luscious. And look at those teals. Beautiful. Now that might be 939 right there. Or 823. But I'm not going to look it up. But you get the point. Hang on. Let me just do the spin. But look at all those luscious colors. Oh, just beautiful. I think hydrangeas are beautiful to look at. They're just intriguing because they're so intricate, if you will. Just lovely. Don't ask me why I got a couple of smalls, but I did. This is actually serged all the way around. It doesn't have the color running down, but it does have all your numbers and the symbols and the thread card number. Let me fold that in half because I lift it up and then, you know, it is what it is. It does have the product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. So it's not too big, but I just thought the colors in it were outstanding. Doesn't look real, what do you call it? Confettied? You know, some are in like big rivers and pools of color. You know, and then there's a little bit like bink, 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 you know, so it's not terrible. Could be worse. Oh, we have been to worst and back. Let's see how big this is. It's supposed to be 30 by 40. It is 40 in that way. And 28 and a half that way. And the actual picture size is 34 centimeters, which is a little over 13 and a quarter by a little bit, by 9. So this would fit in an 11 by 14 frame. And it's 9 inches this way, or 23. Guys, yep, door's open. She must have saw anybody. But anyway, like I was saying, it will fit in an 11 by 14 frame. Just absolutely lovely. Lovely, lovely. Nice heavy duty, you know, canvas. But I just crinkle it in my hands to get it where it needs to be. And yeah. Okay, now that one was $8.16. This next one was $8.11, and you'll see that we have got a duplicate. Yeah. Don't you know how that's how Lora goes? Because, you know, if I like something, I got to get at least 3. I'm sure I got 3 copies of those roses that one time. From 3 separate stores, because I really, really like those roses. But yep, it's the Panda family. I'm just going to open it and go through it, but this will go into my giveaway pile. Because I've already started mine. I just thought it was beautiful. And I love pandas. There's a product number down here. It is made by DIY Cross Stitch. And I'm looking. There should be a paper. We have a paper pattern. It's kind of, now this is not that shiny paper. It does have the product number up here, how big it is and how many squares per square. It has all the beautiful colors running down it. Nice, big, easy to read numbers, symbols, and then the number for the thread cards. So it's very easy to see. Now, for some, you might have to bring it, you know, make it bigger, blow it up a bit, you know, because it gets a little hairy down in here, you know, because some of the symbols you have like lines going this way, and then you have a low L, and yeah, or an L laying on its side or something. But yeah, you know, you do what works for you, which is fine. But yeah, for me, I can see pretty much everything. So yeah. But this key will match, or this whole page matches your canvas as usual. Let's put this up here just so we don't lose it. We have a big old hank of 987. Yep, 987. Isn't that a beautiful green? Let's see what else is here. Everybody else is all jacked together. It does have 25 colors. Look at that fuchsia. You have some browns, golds, and kind of a golden brown, but that pink, oh, to die for. Yep, and you have that. This is 939 right here, this big hank. It does not have any 310 in it. They used this dark blue of 939 for the pandas, and this is 823. Yes, just beautiful colors. Greens, pinks. You even have some bright blue there. So just gorgeous. I'm just going to lay that right in the middle of that, and we're going to fold it nicely back because I will put it in the giveaway so somebody else can enjoy it. I'm going to lay that up there. Just does have 2 needles here. Doesn't have a little kit. It is not serged all the way around. Oh yeah, it goes this way. Whoa, there went my thread. Does have the product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. It's very darkly printed, very nice. It does have a salvage edge over here, so we'll see how big it is. But the key is nice and big, and these are all printed very darkly so that you can see everything. Whoops. For $8, you know, and a few cents, I think it's a gorgeous kit. It's 50 this way, and 39.5 that away. Actual picture size is 15, about 15 3/4 or 40 centimeters by 29.5 or a little over 11.5. So, yeah. Just beautiful. And it's so easy to work on, you know, because the symbols are nice and bright. I will try to, let me see if I can do it so you can see the symbols. I'll hold it as still as possible. But yeah, very easy to read symbols. It does have a little bit of confetti because you got these tree things going on here. But you have nice big areas of the pandas to stitch in that dark blue. But yeah, it's beautiful. So it will be going into my giveaway pile. Alright, now that is all I got from NewCraftDay. So thank you, NewCraftDay, for sending me those 3 lovely kits. Love them. They have diamond painting. They have cross stitch, stamped and counted, and paint by numbers. They have tools for diamond painting and cross stitch. They also do custom. I'm not sure if they do their custom in diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number, or just which way. I'm not sure. They do have a separate Joy Sunday section. They have a lot of crafts in either diamond painting or cross stitch. They have free shipping on orders over $45. And let's see, what else was I going to tell you? Not sure. Okay, but I think, you know, there's a lot of different things for everybody. I don't know if they have anything like quilling or silicone molds or the wax stamping stuff or anything like that. I just mainly stick to if they have diamond painting, cross stitch, or paint by number. So do check them out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. And that way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.